Hello students, welcome back. We'll be starting exercise 5.2 here. So we'll go through the question first. In very first question, it is given that one table has been given. In that table, first term A is given, common difference is given, and an the ninth term of AP. Okay. So we'll see in question first part 1, A is 7, D is 3 and N is 8. We have to find out N. As we know the formula of find out nth term. Okay, so N equal to what we know, A plus N minus 1 into D. We know that. We'll just put the value here. So we have to find out N. N equal to A is given 7 plus N is given 8 minus 1 into D is given 3. What will be the value? 7 plus 7 into 3. So what is the value of that? 7 plus 21 equal to 28. In very first part, answer will be 28. We'll go through the second part. In second part, A is given, A is equal to minus 18. We have to find out D. N is given, N equal to 10 or An is given 0. Okay, so we'll go through the formula. What is the formula of finding N? N equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. N is given 0, A is given minus 18 plus N is given 10 minus 1, D we have to find out. So we can write this 1 minus 18 plus 9D. So let's simplify it. 9D equal to 18, D is equal to 2. Okay, I hope you are understanding this. So we'll go through the next question again. In third part of question 1, A we have to find out. D is given, D is minus 3, N is given 18 or An is given minus 5. So again we'll go through the formula of finding N. N equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. We'll just put the value. N is given minus 5, A is we have to find out, N is given 18 and D is given minus 3. So we'll simplify this. A plus 17 into minus 3. That means it will be A minus 51. That means what will happen? A equal to 51 minus 5 equal to 46. Understanding? It is also a very easy question. We have to just put the value and simplify that. So we will go through the next question. In fourth questions, A is given minus 18.9, D is given 2.5. We have to find out N, and An is given 3.6. So again we'll put values in formula. So finding An equal to what what is the formula? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is given 3.6 equal to, a is given minus 18.9 plus n we have to find out, and d is given 2.5. So it will be 3.6 equal to minus 18.9 plus 2.5 n minus 2.5. It will be minus this, and this value will be added 4 1 2, okay, plus 2.5 n. So we can write here 2.5 n equal to 3.6 plus 21.4 equal to 0, 5 and 2, 25.0. So n equal to 25 upon 2.5. It will be 250 upon 25. Okay, so it will be 10. Very easy question. We have put it the value and find out the answer. So we'll go to the next question. Question 5. A is given 3.5, d we have to find out, n is given 105, and d is given 0. D is given 0 and n is given 105, and we have to find out n. Okay, so again we'll go through the formula. So finding n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula we have proven in previous videos, you can go through that. So here we'll put at the value. n we have to find out. A is given 3.5 plus n is given 105 minus 1, or d is given 0. So it will be 3.5 plus 0. This will be 0. So that will be 3.5. Understanding? So this was a very easy questions. In next video we'll go through question 2 of exercise 5.2. Thank you.